So in this video we are looking at turning left, emerging out of junctions. So what we need to consider when we're emerging out of junctions is there anything in front of us before the junction which is going to cause us a problem? Is there anything outside the junction which is going to cause us a problem? What type of area are we in? Can we expect to see people walking across the road? There's loads of things which you need to be considering. So what I'm going to do in this video, I'm just going to do a very short video just on emerging left out of these junctions, and what I'm going to do is give you a full commentary on what I'm actually doing and why I'm doing it on approach. So we're going to move away, and we have got a left turn coming up ahead. So at the moment I can see that there's parked vehicles on the left hand side before the junction, so I will need to be aware of that. I'm looking behind now and I can see there's nothing there. I'm checking my left mirror. I'm going to put my signal on around two houses away, or about 6 cars away. So the indicator goes on. I'm going to do a gentle brake and clutch down so I can come back onto my side of the road so I'm not causing obstruction. I can see there's nothing blocking my exit, so I'm going to check to the right. There's nothing coming from the right. So if there's nothing coming, I'm going to emerge from the junction. As I come out, I'm going to have a quick check behind and a quick check my right mirror and then change the gear. So just to do it again, I'm going to check behind and I'm going to check to my left. About 2 houses away, I'm going to put the signals on. I can't quite see, so I'm going to slow it down and pick first gear. Now there's a lady crossing the road, so I'm going to make sure she's gone. I'm going to check my right, there's a bus. Check into my left again. This is actually joining a dual carriageway, so although there shouldn't be anything coming towards me from the left, I'm still going to check anyway, just in case something's blocking me or just in case something has gone the wrong way on this road. So I'm going to pull back in on the left hand side, so mirrors. I'm going to come in, brake, clutch goes down. I'm just going to roll to the position I want and then come to a nice stop. Whenever you stop, handbrake comes on, into neutral and then relax. So I hope this video just gives you a little bit of understanding of what to do on a junction when you're actually turning left, when you're emerging left out of a junction. So I hope it's helped you, and if it has, please give me the thumbs up, please hit the bell button, and thanks for watching the video.